Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, the compass guiding you through the intricate maze of finance. Today, we embark on a profound exploration of a topic that often instills apprehension but, when approached strategically, can be a gateway to unforeseen prosperity. How to use recession to get rich. Economic downturns akin to storms are inevitable, yet within their turbulent clouds lie silver linings of opportunity. Join us on this extended journey as we unveil 5 comprehensive strategies designed not only to navigate the storm but also to harness its power for financial abundance. Number 1. Seek out core sector stocks. Imagine the stock market as a tempestuous sea during a recession, turbulent, unpredictable, and capable of inducing panic. The instinct to abandon ship may be strong, but wisdom lies in navigating these waves with resilience. In this segment, we will delve into the concept of core sector stocks, the steadfast lighthouses that endure the storm. Sectors like healthcare, utilities, and consumer goods often stand resilient, providing a beacon of steady returns even when the broader market faces uncertainty. Understanding the nuances of these sectors becomes imperative as they become the unsung heroes of recession-ready investment strategy. Number 2. Focus on reliable dividend stocks. Enter the melodious realm of dividend stocks, an enchanting symphony of passive income amid the cacophony of economic uncertainty. In this segment, we journey into the world of stocks that not only weather the storm but continue to sing sweet melodies of returns. Picture companies with not just a track record but a history book of increasing dividend payouts for 25 consecutive years. They are the dividends aristocrat. Unravel the secrets of how these aristocrats can serenade you through economic tempests, providing not just stability but a reliable income stream. We will explore the criteria for identifying these gems and how they can become the cornerstone of your recession-resistant portfolio. Number 3. Consider buying real estate. Close your eyes and envision the real estate landscape during a recession, a canvas of opportunities amidst a sea of challenges. In this segment, we paint a vivid picture of how drops in home values can be brushstrokes of potential investments. While the 2008 housing market collapse was a nightmare for house owners, it turned out to be a boon for some astute real estate investors. As economic downturns lead to drops in property values, it may present a buying opportunity for investment properties. We will delve into the strategies of leveraging real estate, transforming it from a victim of economic storms into a resilient knight, offering a steady income stream through prudent renting. Join us as we unveil how real estate can be your knight in shining armor during financial battles. Number 4. Purchase precious metal investments. Let's journey to a realm where gold and silver aren't mere metals but guardians of wealth in times of economic uncertainty. Precious metals have a long history of gleaming brightly when the financial skies darken. In this segment, we will delve into the alchemy of investing in gold and silver, exploring how these metals act not just as shields but as swords against economic volatility. Historically, during market slowdowns, the demand for precious metal increases, driving their prices upward. Whether you choose to invest directly by acquiring coins or bars or opt for the simplicity of precious metal securities like ETFs, we will uncover the secrets of turning precious metals into a formidable ally in your financial arsenal. Number 5. Invest in yourself. In times of economic uncertainty, envision yourself as a sculptor crafting your own path through the marble of recession. In this segment, we explore the art of self-investment, a strategic move to shape a resilient and empowered version of yourself. Whether it's acquiring a new skill or chiseling away at debt, investing in yourself becomes a masterpiece that stands resilient amidst the economic gallery. Going beyond traditional investment avenues, we will uncover unconventional but impactful ways to invest in yourself during a recession. Join us as we unravel the secrets of sculpting your financial destiny. Number 6. Understanding the current economic situation. Before embarking on any journey, wise navigators seek to understand the lay of the land. In this segment, we assume the role of cartographers, mapping out the economic terrain and deciphering whether we stand at the edge of a recession abyss. The National Bureau of Economic Research becomes our guiding compass, helping us navigate the official declaration of a recession. By exploring the indicators and signals that illuminate the path through economic fog, we empower ourselves with the knowledge to make informed decisions during uncertain times. Join us in decoding the intricate language of economic indicators and understanding the nuances of the current economic situation. Number 7. The long-term views. As we approach the crescendo of our exploration, let's revisit the symphony of strategies we have uncovered and marvel at the potential harmony they can create. In this segment, we will emphasize the importance of adopting a long-term view. A recession need not to be a fleeting storm. It can be a season for planting seeds that blossom into long-lasting financial abundance. Join us in embracing the bottom line. A recession is not a setback. It's an opportunity for strategic positioning on the grand chessboard of financial success. By understanding the broader economic landscape and aligning our strategies with a long-term perspective, we fortify ourselves to thrive, not just survive in the face of economic downturns. Number 8. Tips for smart investing. For those still finding their bearings in the intriguing landscape of recession-ready strategies, if you're not, in this segment, we introduce Smart Assets Compass, a tool that aligns you with the financial advisor skilled in navigating the economic terrain. These experts become your guides, helping you craft a personalized strategy that aligns with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Additionally, we unveil the power of Smart Assets Asset Allocation Calculator, a compass that directs you to the optimal portfolio based on your unique risk profile. By leveraging technology and expert guidance, we empower ourselves to make informed investment decisions during periods of economic uncertainty. As we reach the zenith of our exploration, we extend our heartfelt gratitude for joining us on this extended odyssey through the realm of recessionary wealth creation. If this journey has resonated with you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more captivating financial insights. Remember, navigating recessions isn't just about survival, it's about thriving and emerging stronger on the other side. Until our next grand adventure, may your financial journey be filled with intrigue, resilience, and the pursuit of prosperity. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.